Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the wild world of new media has revolutionized the way we consume information and connect with each other. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's break down the biggest challenges and the most exciting opportunities that come with new media.
Misinformation and fake news. New media can be a breeding ground for misinformation and fake news. With so much content shared at the lightning speed, it can be difficult to discern truth from fiction. Here's where critical thinking skills become crucial. We need to be responsible consumers, double checking information and relying trusted sources.
Attention spans and echo chambers. New media platforms are designed to keep us engaged, but this constant bombardment of the content of shorten our attention spans. Additionally, algorithms can create echo chambers where we're only exposed to information that confirms our beliefs. It's important to seek out diverse perspectives to avoid confirmation bias.
Mental health and social comparison. Constant exposure to curated feeds and unrealistic portrayals on social media can negatively impact mental health. It's important to remember that social media is often a highlight reels, not real life. Focus on self-acceptance and take breaks from social media when needed. Democratization of information and content creation. New media empowers anyone to become a publisher. You can share your voice, ideas, and creativity with a global audience. This has led to a more diverse range of content and perspectives being shared.
Connection and community building. Social media platforms allow us to connect with people who share our interests, regardless of geographical location. This can foster a sense of belonging and community. Online communities can also be a source of support and encouragement.
Learning and education. New media offers a treasure trove of educational resources. You can learn new skills, explore different cultures, and gain knowledge on virtually any topic imaginable. Online courses, tutorials, and educational content creators are just one click away. Okay na.
New media is a powerful force that comes with both challenges and opportunities. By being aware of the challenges and making conscious choices about how we consume and create content, we can harness the power of new media for good. Ultimately, it is up to us to navigate the new landscape and ensure that it empowers rather than hinders us.
What are your biggest concerns about new media? How do you use your new media to your advantage? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.